Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make barbecue sauce ketchup. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a base like tomato paste, some vinegar for tang, and a sweetener such as brown sugar or molasses. Don't forget your spices. Having everything ready before you start makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This homemade version is truly a game changer for your meals. Once your ingredients are prepped, combine them in a sturdy saucepan. Whisk everything together until it's well blended. Then, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. It's important to stir often, perhaps every 2 to 3 minutes, to prevent the sauce from sticking to the bottom and burning. This step allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Now for the fun part, tasting and adjusting. Once your sauce has simmered for about 15 minutes, give it a taste. Do you want it sweeter, tangier, or spicier? Add small amounts of your chosen ingredients, stirring well after each addition. If you prefer a thicker sauce, continue to simmer it gently. For a thinner consistency, a tablespoon or 2 of water will do the trick. After achieving your perfect flavor and consistency, remove the sauce from the heat and let it cool down completely. This is crucial before storing. Once cool, transfer your delicious homemade barbecue ketchup into clean, airtight containers. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Serve it with burgers, fries, or any grilled favorites for an amazing taste.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.